I'm sure you have played on a swing in the playground in your childhood. Have you ever thought about what is happening when you swing, jog, run, or cycle? All these activities show motion. Today, let's learn all about motion. The objects in motion are called moving objects, such as the flying bird, flowing water, and windmills. The objects which are steady with respect to their position are called stationary objects, such as trees, buildings, and the mountains. You must have seen a hand indicating seconds on a wristwatch. But if the seconds hand is not there in a watch, can you see the movement of the minute hand? In big cities, there are high towers with clocks showing time. We can know the time from the clock, but can we see the movement of its hands? Initially, an elephant is standing near a tree. A few minutes later, it moves away from the tree. An object is said to be in motion when it changes its position in course of time in relation to a stationary object. For example, a running bus, a rotating fan, a flying bird, etc. You will notice that a bullet fired from a pistol goes straight. So, it is known as linear motion. A child sliding on an inclined plane is in a linear motion. Swinging of a cradle is called an oscillatory motion. A running child does not have a specific motion, so it is known as irregular motion. When a book is moved on the table, its position changes. It is said to be in linear motion. The motion of insects and butterflies in the air is not along a fixed path. Such a motion is called a random motion. When Mike was asked to describe the motion of a cycle running straight on the road, he said that it was a linear motion. Peter said something different. He said that since the wheel of the cycle completed its rotation after regular intervals of time, it should be a periodic motion. The motion of a swing is called an oscillatory motion as well as a periodic motion. Let's summarize what we have learned. The objects in motion are called moving objects. The objects which are steady with respect to their position are called stationary objects. An object is said to be in motion when it changes its position in the course of time in relation to a stationary object. Now that you are done with playing around, you must have realized the basic idea of motion. Do you know there are many types of motion? Stay tuned to find out.